Hey, or welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today we're going to be doing a nice spring set for my client. This was her birthday set. It was a light green, like sage green 3D set. It was so beautiful. I absolutely loved it, guys. One thing I've noticed about my nails is that my nails have gotten so much better. The improvement of my nails is absolutely amazing. I'm so in love with my nails. I honestly don't know what I did different for why my nails are looking so good recently, but I don't know, guys. Maybe because I've just been doing it for a minute now. The improvement is crazy. If you don't know, I've been doing nails for 2 years, but I opened up my business last year, and the difference between doing your own nails and doing clients' nails, I'm gonna put up pictures to show you guys what I actually went through. It was crazy. So it did take me a while to get used to, doing my nails and then doing clients' nails as well. I'll personally say if you're just starting out, please start with clients. Do not start yourself because it's actually going to set you back. I promise you. For this video, I'm using a size 12 brush. The acrylic is custom. But other than that, I actually have nothing to say for this set. So if you guys do like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me, only you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you, only me and you.
just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this. And if you wanted it, I hate you. Shitty of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
What you in a rush though? What you trying to meet your maker, darling? Oh, you running out of time, huh? But time ain't even real. You really need to chill. It's all an illusion. You get mixed up in the fusion. Whatever it is you try to see, you can sit down and just believe. But I wouldn't ever be the same all day. But I can tell you straight, it ain't no game, baby. Oh, God bless me. God help me. Oh, I think I'm insane. God bless me. God help me. Ooh, I think I'm insane.
Used to be too solid till you scramble me. Used to be your body, you mishandle me. Used to be non-violent till you ambush me. Now I'm at your violent with you. Now I'm at your silent treatment. That mean no permission. Missionary getting boring, can you switch positions? Hard to say your soul, you don't ever listen, no, no. I've been out, baby. Every repetition, every other missing you. Wish it was different than what it was. I've been out, baby. Lost in the lion flash. Lost in no finding us. I've been out, baby.
God bless me.
And if you wonder if I hate you,
I think I'm insane. God bless me.
and if you wanted it, I hate you.
God help me. Ooh.
Pity of you to make me feel just like this. What I would do to make you feel just like this.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give can't be replaced. See no one else, let me like you do. That's why I don't mind. I spend my life with you. I wanna please you.